Dear students, let us discuss the question. Give examples to explain the difference between changes that can or cannot be reversed. So let us take the first example of balloon. When we inflate a balloon can regain its original shape after evacuating. Whereas when we consider irreversible change, bursting of balloon cannot get back into its original shape. So let us write down the first example, inflating balloon. That is, balloon regains its original shape if it's inflated after evacuating. Now let us write here for irreversible change. When a balloon is bursted, it cannot regain its original shape Let's go to the next example. The next example is making ice from water. So here we can get water back by melting the ice. Now let us take one example from irreversible change, making curd from milk. So when we make curd from milk, we cannot again convert curd into milk. So that is irreversible. So let us write down the second example. We can get water back by melting ice. Whereas here in irreversible change, milk cannot be obtained back once the curd is formed. Let's go to the next. The third one, folding the paper. In reversible change, when we get back the paper in its original form and the size after unfolding. So first we can fold and then we can unfold. Whereas in irreversible change, when we cut the paper, we cannot again get back the original paper from its pieces. So let us write down the third example. When we fold the paper, we can get back the paper in its original form. Original shape and size after unfolding it. Now let us write down the irreversible change example. When we cut the paper, we cannot get back the paper in its original form from its pieces. Great. So we have discussed three examples. Thank you.